So glad you clicked. Should be glad for yourself because this is going to be the shortest but the most impactful video that you're clicking on YouTube today. Because in this, I'm going to talk to you about a mindset shift about money that has not just doubled my income over the last 2 months, but has also drastically changed the way I look at money. So, in case if you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Saranya Narayana Moorthy, and I run two companies. One is a marketing agency, and another is a sales development company. And also, I teach business owners how they can increase their sales on digital platforms so that they can run their business smoothly, effortlessly, without caring about how their sales systems are. But now, right now, I'm not going to talk to you about sales, but rather, I'm going to talk to you about how you view money. Okay? So, let me tell you one thing. So, before a few months, my thought process was, so in this month, what are my goals? What are my income goals? What are going to be the bills that I should be paying? What are the things I should buy? So based on that, I'll put a list of, so this is the amount of money that I need based on my bills, based on everything that I have to buy, and based on every expense that I have. And that month's goal would be to make that money. So that is how things have been going, and I believe we all will have such motivations. Until there is a need for money, we would not think how much money should I make today, and we would not have that fears or the forceful thing unless we have targets to hit, right? But what I did a couple of months ago is I thought, you know what? Every day I'm going to be asking my question. I'm going to be asking myself this question of how much money I should be making right today. Not by this month, not by this quarter, not by this year, not even by this week. Right today. And if that's the case, what should I be doing? And this question came irrespective of any bills I have. So now I did not put a restriction, I did not put in compulsion, or neither did I tell myself, see, just because bills are not coming doesn't mean you shouldn't make money. So that is when a lot of things shifted, and I thought, wow, you know what? Now I am getting a lot of cash flow inside, but nothing is going outside because I don't have a compulsion, or neither do I have targets hit to that bills. And the drastic shift in the energy at that moment was immense because now I am welcoming money without an obligation to send it somewhere. So this is where I always believe money has been an energy, and money is an energy, and money will always flow in when you're welcoming it. So when you welcome money without any obligation, with a pure intention to just have it with you, that is when things become easier. You get into a consistent flow, and the best part is money comes to you without any expectation. So if you're watching this and if you have been asking yourself, you know what, I have some targets and for that I need to make money, shift that mindset right now. So this is your reminder for you. Do not chase money based on obligation, but welcome money just because you want to have it. Because when you need it, you need to explain to people why it's a need. But when you want something, there are no explanation for it. So you want it just because you want it. So now, this 3-minute video has this much for you, and trust me when I say this, hear this message again and again repeatedly, because this is going to bring a massive transformation for you, and that transformation is something that you would never have enough of. So wish you all prosperity, and I'll see you on the next video when you actually intend to increase the sales of your business.